Hey everyone, check out the FLEXTAILGEAR MAX Shower, an ultralight rechargeable outdoor shower pump perfect for camping and travel. Weighing just 11 ounces, it combines showerhead pump and hose into one compact unit for easy use. The dual shower modes let you switch between low water-saving flow and a powerful high flow with a reach up to 7.9 feet. Its exclusive quick connect design allows fast one-step assembly without any threaded tightening needed. The innovative upward water intake and built-in metal filter prevent clogs and ensure long-lasting performance. Plus, it features an 18.5 watt-hour battery and IPX7 water resistance for reliable use outdoors. Whether hiking, car washing, or pet cleaning, this portable shower delivers refreshing water flow wherever you need it. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.